I have already shown the paid apps, now it's time for the free ones. So the apps I will show you in this lesson will double your conversions and increase them 100% guaranteed, and this will happen for free, so don't skip this one. So first app is Talk to Live Chat. It's here, and I recommend you to add a live chat, because if the customers have any doubts, you can talk to them and it will just make the store seems legit. So you just create the account here and you are good to go. Next one is Free Trust Badge by Hector. This one will add trust badges on your products, and this will make the customers feel more secure and confident to put their credit cards on your website. So I think it's very useful and you need to have this application on your store. Now you just activate from here and click save. Next, I recommend a sticky add to cart application. This is the application, but from what I see was free. Now it's $2.99, but I still recommend it, so let's add it right now on our store. You select the simple plan, this one, $2.99, and I usually leave everything like this beside button animation, and I'll show you right now what to do with it. But first I want to see what this app do right now and make sure it's enabled. So when you scroll down, you go past to add to cart button, it goes off the screen, and add to cart button, it's gonna pop up there and it's gonna pulse like you see right now. But you can change this animation from here, and I personally like to use bounce or flash. This is what bounce do. I really like it, and I think that people are more willing to add to cart using this. So that's it with this one. Next one. So I also used sales pop-up by Bikiting. Now I don't use it anymore because I have premium themes and they have all these features already in them, and I don't need too much apps, but I recommend you to use it, this one. Only because it will create social proof, and what this app really do is to show people that other people buy from your website. Like you see, someone bought from, so it's very useful, very helpful for a store. And if they click on that box where it says that someone bought something, they will be redirected to that product, and sometimes they will buy it too. So it's a very good app. I advise you to use it. So that's it, guys. This is the free apps I personally use, or I used. So maybe some of you hoped that it will be more apps. So I usually like to not overwhelm myself and keep it simple but qualitative. So that's it, guys. See you in the next lesson.